Hey everybody, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. So today is Friday. Woo! Heavy storm, heavy rain. Wow! It is flat coming down. I was next door this morning early. I got another coat of paint on an accent wall in the bathroom, and I got the ceiling repaired in the living room. All I have to do now is paint it, put up my curtains, and then it's ready for the flooring to be either repaired or replaced. I haven't decided because I can do both. I have already the materials for it. I just don't know. I'm kind of running out of steam, if you get my drift. Wow, it is flat coming down. Whew. It's kind of cooling out here. It's nice out here. Smokey Mo was here again this morning. I saw her yesterday afternoon late run off into the woods, and I'm thinking, well, there she goes. But she was here this morning. They were all here except Mama Ma, the original feral that came and brought babies. Started it all, didn't she? Oh my goodness, I'm going in. I'm going to go to the patio now. Come with me. Let's go check out on the patio. I got to get batteries for my door thingy-dooch. Ooh, it sounds louder out here, but it's because of this metal roof. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at it. Look at that downspout. It is pouring down. I'm going to move my weed eater. I don't want that rain getting in that motor. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Whew. One-handed. There's Big Kitty under there. He's been letting me kind of touch his head ever so often. But yesterday he stuck his claw into the area right underneath my thumb. And it bled for quite a time. So I'm kind of mad at him, but you know what to expect. He's a wild cat. He's taken up residence here, and sometimes he runs my kitties off. There's nothing I can do about it. Not one thing. Look at that water. Oh my gosh, right down in there. I wish I could fix that somehow. I don't know how. That's because this end is sloping down from the top. So it's all running down. Okay, everything's getting a good drink though. There's Darlene's rose. It's getting bigger and bigger. And my floroclocks, they're really spreading out, growing. This thing comes up every year, and then it dies down in the wintertime. It's really airy and kind of fluffy, if that is such a thing. But it's really pretty. Brian gave it to me years ago. I'm not sure whether it flowers or not. I don't think it does, but I like it the way it is. I like it just the same. My umbrella tree, when the leaves get wet, they get really heavy, and then it kind of hangs over everything. Wow, kind of windy here, y'all. It's really very windy. Not to mention the fact that it's getting cooler. John came today and brought Cody, because Thursday is his new day to mow my yard. So even though he was here yesterday, he had another job to do, you know, leveling out everything and picking stuff up. So he and his son came today. The son used the riding lawnmower and John used the weed eater. He does a really good job. I'm very pleased. I'm going in, y'all. It's getting nasty out here.